Dear students, today we are going to discuss about plants, microbes and human welfare. The chapter name Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production. Generally, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan is considered as a father of green revolution in India, as well as Norman Borlaug is considered as father of the green revolution in the worldwide. So first we are going to discuss about what is the meaning of green revolution. Several countries including India is experienced the substantial and dramatic increasing of agricultural production or food production. Agricultural production or food production, that is called green revolution. That is called green revolution. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan has to be developed short duration increasing of high yield variety of rice, includes those of basmati variety of rice. So these plants are having to high yielding and high resistance diseases, and to be produced high quality food materials. Then after Dr. M.S. Swaminathan and Norman Borlaug accumulated to the one process within the green revolution. So to be introduced so many Mexican varieties of wheat in India. So many Mexican varieties of wheat in India. So however, the green revolution is always depend upon to the very longer extents of plant breeding. Generally, plant breeding as a technology has helped to increase yielding and disease resistance to very longer extents. That is the plant breeding. Okay now. So plant breeding program is always to be depend upon to the green revolution, or green revolution is always depend upon to the plant breeding technology. Okay now. So plant breeding program is carried out in the same way to be worldwide. So in our educational institutions or other commercial companies. So in a recent times, beginning of the human civilization, the plant breeding has recorded. So during of the time 9,000 to 11,000 years. By means the plant breeding is also well developed thousands of years ago. But this process is very slow process, and being of the longer period of the time. Okay now. Anyhow, so plant breeding is always carried out only one specific new genes in a given crop. So that is the importance of plant breeding. So plant breeding is always carried out, involves two desirable genetically different plants or parents are involved. Then after to be produced one variety of hybrid plant. This variety of hybrid plant containing both parental characters. That is the importance of plant breeding. Okay now, plant breeding mainly involves two different desirable genetically parental plants. So these two different parental plants are combined, then will be produced one breeding plant or one hybrid variety plant. This hybrid variety plant containing both different parental characters. Okay now. This is a plant breeding. So in this plant breeding involves 5 steps. First step are here collection of variability. Second step are here evolution and selection of parents. Third step are here cross hybridization among the selected parents. Fourth step are here selection and testing of superior recombinants. Fifth step are here testing, release and commercialization of new cultivars. So these are the 5 steps are involved in plant breeding process. First we are going to discuss about first step collection of variability. Okay now, collection of variability. So here first to be taken genetic variability is an important the plant breeding technique process. So here genetic variability is important one of the plant breeding technique. Any plant breeding technique. So first of all to be taken up genetic variability, to be identified genetic variability. So here genetic variability is important of any one of the plant breeding technology. So second here collection and preservation of different wild species, different wild types and relatives of the species for the free existence of exploration of new generation of genes in the population. That is collection and preservation of wild species. Okay now. First step now collection of variability. So collection of variability, first collection are here genetic variability. Genetic variability is important of any plant breeding technology. Next one here collection and preservation of different wild type plants or different wild species are related in the cultivation of free existence in the exploration of new generation of the genes in their population, new generation of the genes available in the population. Next one is here germplasm collection. So the collection of any plants or seeds having so different diverse of alleles of genes in a given crop, that is called germplasm collection. Okay now. So to be collected any plant or any seeds having so different alleles of genes in a given crop, that is called germplasm collection. So that is the first step now here, collection of variability. Okay now, collection of variability including first genetic variability, second collection and preservation of different wild plants, different wild species or different related species. Third germplasm collection. The collection of any plant or any seed are having two different types of alleles or alleles of genes in a given crop, that is called germplasm collection. So these three are involved in the first step of collection of variability. So second step are here evolution and selection of parents. So already evoluted germplasm, thereafter to be selected two desirable genetic characters of different plants or different parents. Okay now, already evoluted germplasm, thereafter to be taken off two different desirable genetic characters of plants. So thereafter these two different genetically desirable characters of plants undergo by self pollination. undergo by self-pollination. So wherever desirable and possible, wherever desirable and possible, that is the importance of second step, that is evolution and selection of parents. So already evaluated germplasm, then after to be selection of parents. So in those of time to be taken up two different desirable genetical characters of plants, that is two parental plants, that is two parental plants, both parental plants are here differed, and also differed desirable genetical characters are having to both plants, and in those of both plants are having to self-pollination, and also desirable characters as well as possible or not possible. That is the second step are here, evolution and selection of parents. So these two steps are involved plant breeding technology or plant breeding process. Okay now. So however, this plant breeding plants is always greater, higher yielding and resistant to diseases and increasing of tolerant to atmospheric stresses and increasing tolerant to resistant pathogens and increasing abiotic to insect pests, increasing abiotic to insect pests. So totally are useful in economically to be plant breeding plants, Okay now, thank you.